If your brain loves to tell you you're not good enough, this 10-minute daily reset will train it to default to self-trust instead of self-doubt. Here's a little story. Before I took my first degree black belt test, I was plagued with self-doubt about measuring up. I thought everyone else was better, and I wasn't that good. Sitting on that hard wooden floor in my uniform, I felt like a fraud who'd somehow fooled everyone into thinking that I belonged. But here's what I learned. That voice wasn't telling me the truth about my abilities. It was my brain's safety system working overtime, trying to protect me from the social risk of failure by convincing me not to try. Hi, I'm Will D., college professor and longtime martial artist, and today we're talking about rewiring your brain's default setting from doubt to trust. By the end of this video, you'll have a 10-minute routine that you can run every day to train your brain to support you instead of sabotaging you. Self-doubt isn't a character flaw. It's an overactive safety system in your brain that's trying to keep you alive. Think of it like having a sparring partner who blocks every move before you even throw it. They're not trying to hurt you. They're trying to protect you. But when your brain's threat detection system treats social risks like a physical danger, that protection becomes paralysis. Research from neuroscience labs shows that insecurity activates the same neural pathways as physical threat responses. Your amygdala can't tell the difference between a saber-toothed tiger strolling by and the possibility of looking foolish in a meeting. Both trigger the same ancient alarm. Danger, don't move, stay safe. Here's something fascinating about confidence. It isn't about feeling fearless. It's about feeling safe enough to act despite uncertainty. When your nervous system feels secure, your brain stops scanning for threats and starts looking for opportunities. But here's where most people get stuck. They think confidence comes from achieving something big first. Actually, it works the opposite way. You build confidence through small, repeated actions that prove to your brain you can handle uncertainty. That's why a 10-minute daily reset works. Your brain learns through repetition. Every time you practice calming your nervous system and taking one small, brave action, you're literally rewiring the safety equals trust circuit. Try this right now. Take 3 deep breaths. Bring your head up and pull your shoulders back. Feel that shift? That's your nervous system getting the signal that you're safe and capable. The martial arts taught me something so very crucial. Confidence isn't about never feeling doubt. It's about training your body and mind to move forward even when doubt shows up. Every black belt started with a white belt mind and full of questions and uncertainty. But they learned to quiet their minds and trust their training using the exact techniques we're going to talk about today. Your brain isn't attacking you because you're weak. It's protecting you because it cares about your survival. The problem is it's using Stone Age software to navigate a modern world where the biggest risks aren't physical. They're the risk of staying small, playing safe, and never discovering what you're actually capable of. The good news, you can retrain this system. You can teach your brain that taking action, speaking up, and betting on yourself are actually the safest choices you could ever make. That's exactly what we're going to do with this 10-minute reset. Now let's break down the exact 10-minute routine that will retrain your brain's default setting from doubt to trust. Now, this isn't just positive thinking. It's a systemic approach to rewiring your nervous system using techniques from martial arts and neuroscience. We're going to work in 3 parts. First, we calm your nervous system so your brain stops scanning for threats. Then, we replace those doubt scripts with black belt self-talk. Finally, we build evidence that proves to your brain you're capable and trustworthy. Part 1 is calming your nervous system. That's 3 minutes. Start with your breath and your posture because your brain takes cues from your body about whether you're safe or in danger. Here's the specific breathing pattern. Breathe in for 4 counts, then breathe out for 6. That longer exhale activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your brain's rest and digest mode. Do this 5 times, focusing only on the counting. While you're breathing, take what I call the black belt stance. Feet shoulder width apart, spine straight, chin parallel to the ground. This isn't about looking tough. It's about sending a signal to your brain that you're grounded and ready for whatever comes next. Why does this work? Your posture literally changes your brain's chemistry. When you stand tall and breathe deeply, your brain interprets this as safety and releases confidence-building neurochemicals. You're hacking your own nervous system. Part 2 is replacing doubt scripts. That's 4 minutes. Here we're going to catch those doubt thoughts and redirect them using what I call the 3-step formula. Notice, pause, redirect. Let's take a common doubt script. I'm not ready for this. When that thought shows up, first, notice it without judgment. Then pause and ask yourself, is this thought helping me move forward or keeping me stuck? Then redirect with evidence. I'm not ready for this becomes I'm learning as I go. And that's exactly how everyone gets ready. Or I don't have all the answers yet, but I have enough to take the next step. The key is to redirect the truth, not fake positivity. Your brain will know right away if you're trying or you're lying to it and will reject fake affirmations immediately. That's why truth is so important in this process. You're not lying to yourself. You're choosing a more accurate and useful perspective. Try this right now. Think of one doubt thought that's been running on repeat in your head lately. Got it? Now apply the formula. Notice it, pause, and give me one redirect that feels both true and empowering. Part 3 is practicing daily courage reps and recording them in an evidence log. This takes about 3 minutes. This is where the real magic happens. Every day you're going to take what I call a courage rep. One small action that scares you but moves you forward. It doesn't have to be huge. Send that email. Speak up in a meeting. Try something new. Talk to a new person. Then write down 3 wins from your day, no matter how small. I made that phone call. I asked a good question. I tried something that didn't work, but I learned from it. Why does tracking work? Because your brain has a negativity bias. It naturally focuses on what went wrong by ignoring what went right. By deliberately recording your wins, you're training your brain to notice evidence of your competence. The courage rep builds your tolerance for uncertainty. The evidence log builds your trust in your ability to handle whatever comes up. Together, they create a feedback loop that strengthens your confidence every single day. This isn't about becoming fearless. Fear is information, and sometimes it's very useful. This is about becoming fear-friendly, being able to feel the fear and take action anyway because you trust yourself to handle the outcome. Here's your challenge. Run this 10-minute reset every day for 1 week. Not when you feel like it, not when you remember, but every single day at the same time. Track 2 things: how many courage reps you take and how your inner voice shifts. You'll be surprised how quickly your brain starts defaulting to support instead of sabotage. This is pure black belt mindset. Small daily practice beats occasional motivational boosts. In martial arts, we don't train for hours once a month and expect to improve. We show up consistently every single day, even when we don't feel like it, especially when we don't feel like it. Your brain needs repetition to build new default patterns. Think of it like carving a new path through a forest. The first time, you're pushing through the thick brush, but walk that same path daily for a week, and suddenly you have a clear trail. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't skip days because you're too busy. 10 minutes is less time than you probably spend scrolling through social media. Don't make it perfect. Make it consistent. Your courage rep can be as simple as making eye contact with a stranger or asking one question in a meeting. What changes should you expect? less rumination, quicker recovery from setbacks, and a more natural confidence that doesn't depend on external validation. You'll start catching doubt thoughts faster and redirecting them automatically. Some days your brain will resist this practice. That's normal. Your old patterns are fighting to survive. Do the reset anyway. That's when it's working the hardest. Remember, every black belt started with a white belt mind full of uncertainty and self-doubt. What made the difference wasn't talent or fearlessness. It was showing up to practice every day, even when they didn't feel ready, when they didn't feel confident, when they didn't feel like it. Your brain is incredibly adaptable. It's been learning your whole life. Right now, it's learned that doubt keeps you safe, but you can teach it something better, that trusting yourself, taking action, and betting on your ability to figure things out as you go is actually the safest choice you can make. The reset works because it gives your brain new data every single day. Instead of evidence that the world is dangerous and you're not capable, you're feeding it evidence that you can calm yourself, redirect your thoughts, and take brave actions consistently. Start tonight. Set a timer for 10 minutes and run through the complete reset one time. The future self that you have will thank you for building this habit now. Self-doubt isn't a permanent truth about you. It's a trainable safety reflex that you can redirect. Tonight, set that 10-minute timer and run through the reset once. Oh, one last thing. Just hit subscribe for more brain-boosting hacks that take minutes but change everything. It's an easy and free way to support us, and you'll boost your brain power along the way. Until the next time, this is Will Deek wishing you only success. And remember, you can train your brain to trust you one courage rep at a time.